Welcome back. Now we are going to do the first subsection of the second numerical in the second exercise of real numbers. Question is, find LCM and HCF of 26 and 91 and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So LCM to find, how to find LCM is product of the greatest power of each prime factor. That means you have to find the prime numbers of factors of 26 and 91 and multiply the product of the greatest power of each prime factor in 26 and 91. That is what you have to do. Then HCF, it is the product of the smallest power. You have to look for the smallest power of each common prime factor, each common prime factor. So for HCF, you have to look for common prime factors and see which is the smallest powers in those common factors and multiply them. But for LCM, you have to take the prime factors in 96, 91 and 26, choose the greatest powers if they are common and multiply them. This is the idea. So we will look into the numerical, and as we saw the numerical, you will understand it. First, I will take 26. I'm going to express 26 in the form of prime factors, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So 26, easy, 13. 13 2s are 26, 2 1s are 2. So 26 can be expressed as 2 into 13. Done. Now I'll take 91. Divide 7. 7 1s are 7. Carry over 2. 7 3s are 21. And 13. 13 1s are 13. So 91 can be written as 7 into 13. Now I have to find the LCM. LCM is product of the greatest power of each prime factor. Everywhere it is power is 1, correct? So 2 into 13 into 7. See, 13 is common. So choose the highest power. Both are 1, so choose any one. So 2 into 13 into 7. So if it is common, you choose the highest power. If it is not common, choose that number. You have to choose all numbers. But if they are common, choose the highest number. So 13 is common, so take the highest number, which is 1 and 7. This is LCM. I hope you understood LCM. HCF, only common. Which is common here? Only 13 is common. And smallest power. Both are same power. So HCF is 13. So I got LCM and I got HCF. If you want, you can multiply this. 7 into 2 is 14. So this is 14 into 13. Multiply 14 into 13. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 4. 4 1 2 8 1. So this is 182. So I got the LCM. LCM is 182. HCF is 13. I got the LCM and I got the HCF. Now I will multiply them. I have to show LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So first LCM into HCF. That is 182 into 13. Multiply 182 into 13. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 4 5. This is 2 8 1. So 6 6. 8 plus 5 13 2. 2 3 6 6. Now product of the two numbers 26 into 91. Multiply this now. 91 into 26. 6 1s are 6. 6 9s are 54. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. So this is 6 6. Again 13 2. 2 3 6 6. Therefore LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of the two numbers. So how to find LCM? Product of the greatest power of each prime factor. So when will you take the greatest power? Only if the prime factors are common. If they're not common, take all. If they're common, take the non-common ones, and in the common ones, take the greatest power. How to find HCF? Product of smaller power of each common prime factor. So look for common, and among the common, choose only the smaller power. So I took 26, 13, 2s are 26, 2 ones are 2. So the prime factors for 26 is 2 into 13. And for 91, 7 13s are 91, 13 ones are 1. So 91 can be expressed in the form of prime factors as 7 into 31. Now LCM, take all the terms. Now 13 is common. If 13 is common, take only the greatest one. Both are 1. So 2 into 13 into 7, which is 182. For HCF, product of the smallest par. So common term is 13, both same par. So HCF is 13. Now multiply. 182 into 13 is 2366. 26 into 91 is also 2366, which means LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers.